workflow for cinematic AI website generation.
The goal here? A perfectly paced 4-minute screen recording workflow that feels incredibly real.
Format is absolutely crucial. Keep it exactly 16:9 Full HD to capture every single action.
To bring this interface to life, realistic sound effects like typing and clicking are non-negotiable.
But listen to this strict audio rule. Absolutely zero background music. Rely only on sound effects. Visually, keep things bright and professional, with super smooth camera movements and subtle cursor zooms.
All of this creates a simple 5-step blueprint we're going to walk through from start to finish.
Step 1. Open your browser. Search Google Maps and let those local businesses populate the screen.
Step 2. Highlight a specific local business's details and just copy them right there on screen.
Next, seamlessly transition over to a clean text document and paste those details for safekeeping.
Step 3 is the fun part. Open up the Emergent AI platform right on your screen.
Grab those copied business details from earlier and paste them directly into the Emergent AI prompt.
Step 4 is literal magic. Click Generate and watch Emergent AI instantly build a professional website.
Boom! Showcase that final result by smoothly scrolling the finished website from top to bottom.
Step 5 is our ultimate goal, smoothly pitching this beautifully generated website to the local business.
So with this cinematic workflow totally mastered, are you ready to pitch these to local businesses?